Here's the story again. As you read it aloud, focus on clear pronunciation, natural pacing, and expression. The magical garden. In a small village surrounded by rolling hills and dense forests, there lived a curious girl named Emily. Emily loved nature and spent her days exploring the countryside. One day, while wandering through the forest, she stumbled upon a hidden path she had never seen before. Intrigued, she decided to follow it. The path led her to a high stone wall covered in ivy. In the middle of the wall was a rusty iron gate. Emily pushed it open and discovered a beautiful, hidden garden. Flowers of every color imaginable bloomed everywhere, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of roses and jasmine. As she walked through the garden, Emily noticed a sparkling pond with crystal-clear water. She knelt by the pond and saw her reflection. But to her amazement, her reflection smiled and waved at her. Startled, she stepped back, but her reflection spoke. "Hello, Emily. Welcome to the magical garden." "I am your guide," said the reflection. Emily was both excited and curious. "What makes this garden magical?" she asked. The reflection replied, "This garden can make your wishes come true. But remember, only selfless wishes will be granted." Emily thought about the things she could wish for. She decided to wish for something that would benefit her village. "I wish for our village to have a bountiful harvest every year so no one will go hungry," she said. A gentle breeze rustled the leaves, and the flowers seemed to nod in agreement. "Your wish is granted," said the reflection. "You have shown kindness and thoughtfulness." Emily felt a sense of joy and fulfillment. She continued exploring the garden and came across a large oak tree with a door at its base. She opened the door and found a cozy little room inside. Shelves lined the walls, filled with books, jars of herbs, and mysterious artifacts. In the center of the room was a table with a large, ancient book. Emily opened the book and saw that it was filled with stories and secrets of the magical garden. She read about the enchanted creatures that lived there, the spells that could be cast, and the adventures of those who had visited before her. She spent hours reading and learning. As the sun began to set, Emily realized it was time to leave. She closed the book and stepped out of the tree. As she walked back to the gate, she felt a warm glow in her heart, knowing that her wish would bring happiness to her village. When Emily returned home, she told her family about the garden and her wish. At first, they were skeptical, but as the seasons passed, they noticed that their crops were more plentiful than ever before. The villagers never went hungry again, and they celebrated with a grand feast every harvest. Emily continued to visit the magical garden, each time making a wish that would help others. She wished for clean water, better schools, and good health for the villagers. Each wish was granted, and the village prospered. Word of the magical garden spread, and people from far and wide came to visit Emily, seeking her guidance and wisdom. She became known as the kind-hearted guardian of the magical garden, and her village thrived under her care. And so, Emily and the magical garden became legends, reminding everyone that true magic lies in selflessness and kindness. Take your time reading each sentence, and don't hesitate to repeat any part it's necessary to improve your fluency and pronunciation. Thank you for watching.